Here's how to get legitimate Canva Pro access through an official Canva team invitation or other official free access programs, and understand how invite links work in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide what the so-called free Canva Pro invite links actually are and how to access Pro features legally. First, sign into your Canva account or create one if you don't already have one. Once you're in the Canva home screen, understand that there is no official public Canva Pro invite link that gives unlimited free access. Instead, legitimate invite links come from a Canva team's owner or administrator who has chosen to add you to their workspace. Next, if someone has sent you a legitimate Canva team's invitation, open the link. You'll see an invitation page displaying the team name along with the Join Team or Accept Invitation button. Tap that button and wait while Canva adds your account to the team. Then, once the invitation is accepted, you'll see the new team appear in the left sidebar or account switcher. If prompted, switch to that team workspace. Open a Pro template or premium feature to confirm that Pro elements are available without asking you to upgrade. Those features are available because the team owner has granted access to the shared workspace. After that, remember that this access only works while you're a member of that specific Canva team. It is not a permanent personal Canva Pro subscription, and the team owner can remove your access at any time. If you don't see this option, there's another way. If you don't have a valid invitation, apply for Canva for Education if you're eligible, apply for Canva for nonprofits if your organization qualifies, start Canva's official free trial, or ask your employer, school, or organization to send you a legitimate Canva Teams invitation. Avoid websites that promise unlimited public Canva Pro invite links, since Canva does not officially provide them. If your invitation link is no longer working, it's usually because it has expired. Simply ask the team administrator to generate and send you a new invitation. Once everything is set, your Canva account will display the invited team workspace, and you'll be able to use the Pro features available through that theme or another official Canva program. Following these simple steps makes understanding Canva Pro free access quick and easy.